Ramen challenge, Eggmas finale. Okay, so for the finale of Eggmas, I'm combining with Lisa on her ramen challenge. So
yes.
This is gonna be an okonomiyaki with ramen noodles.
Yeah, this will be day 29 of my ramen challenge.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So we're almost there.
We're almost there.
A quarter cabbage, please.
Yeah, I can give you a quarter cabbage. That would be half of half, right?
Yeah, half of a half. For our batter, just a little bit of baking powder, cup of flour, then H2O. So what we're looking for is like a little thinner than a pancake batter, like that. That's what I want.
Bean sprouts.
We got some nudes.
That expanded a lot outside of the bag.
Yeah, and pork. These are gonna be like our filling of the okonomiyaki. Definitely authentic okonomiyaki, right? Yeah, cabbage, bean sprouts, ramen noodles, Berkshire pork. This is gonna be awesome. Quick tip, mise en place. This is all this shit that we got right here. That means everything in its place. Always have your mise en place ready, and then you'll be ready. And like the video. Okay, I've got my batter in a ladle here. Gonna spread that out, circular motion. Let's do some togarashi down. Season that. All right, now we'll do some cabbage. Then some bean sprout, delicious. Some Berkshire pork belly. Do a little more togarashi, top that off.
What is in togarashi?
It's got nori, sesame, green chili flake, and then like other spices. It's a good little spice blend. And then we're gonna just do a little more batter on top. This is gonna be like the glue that's holding it together.
Nice, good.
Then we just take our cake, put it right on top of that. Some Kewpie mayo. You like this, right?
I love it.
Did you ever notice it has this star? I never noticed that till a while back. Some of that. Let's do some of this bulldog. Some bonito. And then furikake to finish. I always love how the bonito dances, huh? See that dancing, Michael?
Can Michael dance like that?
Can he dance like that?
That is the question.
No.
But you can like and subscribe.
It's beautiful. You did great.
Good thumbnail, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Shall we?
shall.
Lisa gets the fancy gold spoon.
Thank you.
That's a fork.
Fork, whatever. Michael's not getting any now. Oh yeah. I think we need to cook the noodles longer. But it's
I
good.
think so you can hear the crunch, but
You want to try it?
yo, flavors are all on point. The pork belly has a nice savoriness.
Oh, good. Yeah. Smash like, subscribe to Lisa.